As I left the wedding chapel, I was off on the Sugertree Trail. It took me about a quarter of a mile to get into a thick jungle-type area that was reminiscent of areas of the green swamp that I'd been in. I stood in amazement at the canopy up above. It truly reminded me of some deeper areas. I could not believe I was in the middle of a city. This trail looked like many other trails I had seen. I was off on an adventure. I could see the brown leaves and the red colors. It's our autumn, even though it's January. The cool air told me that a cold front was on its way along with rain. It was going to be a nice day. All right, I love these trail maps. Apparently we are right here where the yellow star is, about ready to go along Cedar Creek on the east end of the Strawberry Trail for another half a mile, and I hope we get some views, especially with the water. I have no idea what's over there, because I am prepared. You know, there's lots of pretty views of what I call our fall season. We get some colors in the leaves, and we get the leaf litter on the ground, which is somewhat fresh. And it's really my favorite time of year because it's going to be in the 40s tomorrow. The bugs are down. Everything's good to say about this. Well, here's good old Cedar Creek. Looks more like a stagnant pond. Well, you kind of learn a little bit out here. Understory plants. These are the plants and fungus that live and grow beneath the forest canopy. And you have hydric areas, which are wet, moist, mesic areas, and then xeric, which are dry areas. And apparently right here there's wild coffee, palmetto, and swamp lily, but I don't think they're out today. Kinda don't. Maybe it's the wrong time of the year. God, I got a face like Vince Lombardi. Oh well, they named a trophy out of him. Alright, here's the sugarberry tree. The tree's named for the sweet fruit it produces. Native Americans used the bark for medicine, the fruits for food, and the leaves and branches to make dye. Cool. And we've just about finished the half a mile Sugarberry Loop trail. There's about 10 of these kind of trails out here. About 6.5 miles of trails in this urban setting. We're right in the middle of Dunedin. You can't even hear the traffic. This is a really cool place.